Anything you want to ask or do on the road, Alexa's got you. With Alexa built in, you can use voice commands to stream music, navigate to a new restaurant, make calls, connect to your smart home devices, and more, all on the go. To activate it, here are some things you will need: an Amazon account, a select paid Chevrolet Connected Services plan, and a properly equipped vehicle. Don't have an Amazon account yet? Create one on Amazon.com. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle is parked. First, find Alexa on the infotainment screen. Can't find it? Go to the App Shop to download and install the app. Now, open the Alexa app. Follow the prompts, review the terms and conditions, and then tap Accept if you agree. Then link your Amazon account by entering the code at amazon.com/code or by scanning the QR code. Once you're signed in, you can choose whether you want to wake up Alexa by pressing the push-to-talk button on the steering wheel or by tapping the on-screen button. And Alexa is ready to go. Let's try it. Start by waking up Alexa. Just press and release the push-to-talk button or tap the Alexa icon on the infotainment screen depending on your settings. Alexa, call Trish. Alexa, play my road trip playlist. Alexa, tune to 96.3 FM radio. Alexa, add grocery run at 11 a.m. to my calendar. Alexa, turn on the porch lights. Now that Alexa's on board, it's like having an extra passenger, a helpful one.